When it comes to pure performance, passion, and precision, few names resonate like BM's M division. For decades, the M badge has stood for speed, control, and engineering mastery. But now, BMW has taken things to an entirely new level, the long-awaited BMW M9. Designed as the brand's first true hypercar, the M9 isn't just another M-series model, it's the crown jewel, the symbol of what BMW calls future performance. AutoZone dives deep into what makes the M9 one of the most anticipated cars in modern automotive history. From the moment you set eyes on it, the BMW M9 feels different. The design language is aggressive yet elegant, futuristic yet unmistakably BMW. The wide stance, the long aerodynamic hood, and the sculpted side panels give it a commanding presence on the road. Up front, the iconic kidney grille has been reimagined, thinner, sharper, and perfectly integrated into the carbon fiber body. Laser-light headlights with adaptive matrix beams cut through the night like a surgeon's blade, while the air intakes are designed not just for looks but to channel cooling air to the hybrid powertrain. Every inch of the M9 has a purpose, and that purpose is performance. The car's silhouette screams speed even at a standstill. Its roofline flows into a muscular rear that houses a sleek LED light bar stretching across the width of the car. The retractable rear spoiler adjusts automatically depending on speed and driving mode, giving the M9 a perfect balance between downforce and aerodynamic efficiency. BMW's designers call it functional beauty, and one look is enough to understand why. Under the hood, or rather, behind the driver, lies the real magic. The BMW M9 is powered by a revolutionary hybrid setup that combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine with a high-performance electric motor. Together, they produce an astonishing 850 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. All that power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing lightning-fast gear shifts. The result? 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed that pushes past 350 km/h. These are not just numbers, they're proof that BMW has entered the hypercar league. BMW's engineers have used what they call M-hybrid drive technology, which smartly integrates electric torque with traditional combustion power. The electric motor eliminates turbo lag and fills every microsecond of transition, giving the M9 instant throttle response. The car feels like a rocket, yet remains controllable, a true driver's machine. The hybrid system also allows short bursts of pure electric driving, up to 50 kilometers, for city runs, making the M9 surprisingly practical for a supercar. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. That's where BMW's legendary chassis tuning comes in. The M9 features an adaptive all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring that constantly adjusts power distribution to each wheel. Combine that with carbon ceramic brakes, a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, and a 50/50 weight balance, and you get a car that corners like it's on rails. Whether it's a twisty mountain road or a high-speed autobahn run, the M9 delivers a driving experience that's equal parts thrilling and confidence-inspiring. Inside, the BMW M9 blends luxury with futuristic technology. The cabin is a perfect mix of performance-focused design and comfort. The low-slung racing seats are made from lightweight carbon fiber and wrapped in fine Alcantara and Nappa leather. Every surface feels crafted with intent. The stitching, the textures, the layout, all scream premium performance. The dashboard is minimal, dominated by a curved OLED display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. BMW's latest iDrive 9 system sits at the core of the interior experience, powered by AI-based personalization. Voice commands, gesture controls, and augmented reality navigation make the driving experience intuitive and high-tech. A customizable head-up display projects real-time data, speed, gear, G-force, lap times, directly onto the windshield, ensuring your eyes never leave the road. And yes, BMW hasn't forgotten sound. The Harman Kardon surround system adapts its tone based on driving mode, creating an immersive acoustic environment that perfectly complements the growl of the V8 and the whine of the electric motor. But what truly sets the M9 apart is its versatility. Switch to comfort mode, and it behaves like a refined Grand Tourer, quiet, smooth, and luxurious. Shift into sport mode, and the suspension tightens, the exhaust valves open, and the car becomes a wild animal ready to attack corners. Then there's track mode, designed purely for the racetrack. Throttle response sharpens, aerodynamics engage, and the digital display transforms into a motorsport telemetry hub. It's 3 cars in one, and each personality feels genuinely authentic. BMW has also focused on sustainability with the M9. The hybrid powertrain not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency. Regenerative braking recovers energy during deceleration, and lightweight materials like magnesium, aluminum, and carbon fiber help reduce emissions without compromising strength. It's a glimpse into BMW's vision of sustainable performance, where speed meets responsibility. Strategically, the BMW M9 is a bold move. With electric supercars like the Rimac Navara and hybrid hypercars like the Ferrari SF90 dominating headlines, BMW needed a statement piece, something to remind the world that the ultimate driving machine still reigns supreme. The M9 isn't just about horsepower, it's about heritage, innovation, and the emotional connection between driver and machine. It's BMW's way of saying, we can evolve without losing our soul. Driving enthusiasts who have always admired BMW for its balance and handling will find the M9 to be the perfect evolution. It's not just faster or more powerful, it's smarter, more intuitive, and deeply emotional. Every time you press the start button, the M9 greets you with a digital animation and a low, powerful growl that promises an unforgettable drive. So, is the BMW M9 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's more than just a supercar, it's the physical embodiment of BMW's philosophy: innovation through emotion, speed through control, and luxury through precision. The M9 doesn't chase trends, it sets them. It's the car that defines the next chapter for BMW's M division, a perfect fusion of art, science, and engineering. In the end, the BMW M9 isn't just a machine built to conquer roads, it's built to conquer hearts. It represents decades of passion, reimagined for a new era of performance. For those who believe driving is more than getting from point A to B, the M9 is the ultimate destination.